Let's try apple date. I saw this at my local Asian supermarket, and I'm assuming this is what you get when you mix an apple and a date. It is quite juicy and it has a flavor right in the beginning, but then it went away. It honestly kind of reminded me of the smell, a bit of a smell like alcohol right in the beginning, but then it went away. And it's more so just like a mix between an apple and a pear that's not really that sweet. Okay, it is a bit of that stale pear taste. Okay, so it's not initially alcohol. It's more of like it's almost like that scent of a stale pear or apple. It comes right in the beginning when you bite into it, but then it just goes away and you're left with almost no flavor. I don't taste any date flavor at all. I don't know who names fruits nowadays, but I wouldn't have named this an apple date. I would have just named this a papple. It's like a pear and an apple. Yeah, if you guys know what this actually is, let me know, or what it's supposed to taste like if this one isn't ripe. But I would have to give this maybe a 5.9 out of 10. It's not really anything. I always think that I'm never going to try another new fruit again because I've tried so many, but there's always something new that pops up at the Asian supermarket.